We have devastating news from Texas today. The state Supreme Court has ruled against 20 women who faced life-threatening pregnancy complications but were denied abortions under Texas's draconian abortion ban. That's our focus today. Welcome back to Addison Politics. I'm your host, Addison Voss. The lead plaintiff in this case is Amanda Zurawski from Austin, Texas. Amanda experienced preterm pre-labor rupture of membranes, or PPROM, at 18 weeks into her pregnancy. This condition caused her water to break, losing all amniotic fluid. A fetus cannot survive without amniotic fluid, and no baby can survive on its own at 18 weeks, despite what some might claim. Amanda sought help at Catholic Hospital in Austin, but she was denied an abortion because a fetal heartbeat was detected. 3 days later, Amanda developed a severe infection and was diagnosed with life-threatening sepsis. An emergency abortion was performed, but Amanda spent 3 days in the ICU fighting for her life. Thankfully, she survived, but the infection permanently damaged one of her fallopian tubes, affecting her future fertility. In response to this traumatic experience, Amanda filed a lawsuit against the state of Texas. The lawsuit now includes 20 other women with similar experiences and 2 OBGYNs who argue that Texas's abortion bans prevent them from fulfilling their ethical obligations to patients. The lawsuit contends that Texas laws use conflicting language and non-medical terms, making it unclear when physicians can legally provide abortion care. If a physician violates Texas's abortion laws, they face severe penalties, fines of at least $100,000, up to 99 years in prison, and revocation of their medical licenses. These harsh penalties, combined with the law's vague language, deter doctors from providing abortions, as they cannot risk misinterpreting what constitutes a medical emergency. One might think it is reasonable for Texas to clarify what constitutes a medical emergency, resolving this issue. However, despite repeated requests from doctors for guidance, the state has refused to provide clarity. This ambiguity appears intentional, aimed at preventing women from accessing necessary health care. District Court Judge Jessica Mangrum agreed with Amanda's claims and issued an injunction allowing physicians to use their good faith judgment to determine when an abortion is needed to preserve the patient's health or life. This seems sensible, relying on medical professionals rather than the government to decide when a medical procedure is necessary. Nevertheless, the state of Texas immediately appealed the ruling, preventing the injunction from taking effect. Now, the Texas Supreme Court has made an appalling decision, essentially saying it's not the state's vague laws, but the doctor's fault if women are denied medically necessary abortions. Texas law permits a life-saving abortion, the court wrote in an order signed by Justice Jane Bland. At this point, women in Texas have no further legal options to challenge these harsh abortion bans. Our best hope is through voting. By electing Democrats at the federal level to protect abortion rights nationwide, or at the state level in Texas to change these laws, we can ensure women get the health care they need. This is the only way to prevent women from facing dangerous situations where they can't access necessary care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.